The situation is getting a little complicated for us entrepreneurs and business owners. Collective fear and hysteria are taking over the world. What will happen to my business? Is the coronavirus going to get me broke? How am I going to bring food to my house? If an aircraft's black box is indestructible, why don't they make entire planes out of the same material? All this and more in this video. Hi, my name is Gios Colo and welcome to MoneyBeat. My friends, complicated moments require different measures. I think I've never told you, but I am Panamanian. In other words, I am from the Republic of Panama, located in Central America. Here, the coronavirus officially arrived less than a week ago, and there are less than 30 cases at the time of the recording of this video. But people are in panic mode. No hand sanitizer is found anywhere. There are no face masks. They emptied the toilet paper aisle for some strange reason. Sure, all worries are based on everything that has happened in other countries. Everything indicates that things are gonna get worse before they get better. People do not want to leave their homes. They only go out for what is necessary. I haven't told you either, but I have a business with some partners. By the way, my girlfriend is one of them. We have an express photography studio with typical Panamanian customs. Basically, we offer a fast, professional, and cheap solution for a service that has always been very tedious and very expensive. In another video, I can tell you more about what we do at Dress Like Panama. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to know how we found this business opportunity. Well, going back to the video, our business is also being affected by collective hysteria. Everyone wants to stay at home. Nobody wants to leave if it's not completely necessary. And in our case, families do not want to take their children and parents over 60 years old to have their pictures taken if they feel they are in danger. Many of our appointments are being cancelled, and this is something that we can all understand. But how can we handle this situation so that it affects our business as little as possible? I am going to share some of the strategies that we are using. But first, you should like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay? Got it? Okay, now we can move on. Number one, embrace the problem. We cannot pretend this isn't happening. We can't pretend not to listen to the real concerns of our customers and think that if we don't say anything, everyone will keep coming as if nothing happened. There is a real situation that we need to talk about. And as a responsible company, it is up to you to address the subject and look for real solutions so that your customers feel more comfortable and protected. On your company's social networks, make a statement explaining that you are aware of this issue and the security actions that must be taken to avoid the spread of COVID-19 and that preventive measures are being taken to make it safe to come to your business. Of course, it has to be true. Which brings me to my second point. Number two, take preventive measures. All businesses are different, so the measures we take as a photography studio are not going to be the same measures you will take as an insurance consultant. But it is really important that you find solutions that apply to your scenario, that clients feel that you are taking action on the matter and that you are really doing it. Have hand sanitizer available at all times for your workers and for your clients. Make your staff wear gloves if possible. Make them wear face masks and any other security measure you can think of. Number three, work from home. Obviously, there are many jobs where it is not possible to do this, as it is in the case of my business. That is why we are trying to protect our staff and assure our clients that it's safe for them to come. But everything else that can be done from home is done from home until the situation improves. If your job requires you to have meetings with clients, use technology. Turn your face-to-face meetings into virtual meetings. Instead of going to a cafe to do your reports, do them from home. It's great not to panic, but this doesn't mean that you shouldn't try to avoid some activities. Analyze your daily work routine, and if you see it possible to do the same activities from home, do them. And if you do have a boss, talk to him or her. Given the circumstances, they will most likely understand you. Number four, cut expenses and be patient. This is the first thing that needs to be put into action. In a moment as uncertain as the one we are experiencing, it is important to be prepared. Do not make irregular or very large expenses until the situation calms down. We do not know how long it will last, nor how much the measures taken by our country may affect us. If they close the airports, if they close the streets, we have to be prepared with all the money we can. In our case, this situation caught us in a moment where we are making the expense of moving from one property to a larger one. We are not really stressed about it because we have good savings in the business and we were prepared for this investment. But this is not the best time to do renovations, buying new equipments, hiring new staff. If it can wait, better give this a month or two to see how things are going. It is, although, the time to get creative. You could talk to your landlord to see if they could help you in any way with this month's rent, for example. The time to renegotiate some payments. We have to see how we can stretch the money to last until this situation improves. I know we will get through this together. Just take good care of yourself and yours, wash your hands, and manage your money well. By the way, about the question I asked at the beginning, if the aircraft's black box is indestructible, why don't they manufacture entire planes with the same material? It's probably because the material of the black boxes is very dense and highly expensive. You might also wonder why we call them black boxes, if they are usually orange. But this is done in order to become more visible in the event of a disaster. Just a curious fact. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it helped you in any way, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week with another video. Thank you.